Hello and welcome back to Siemens. Today let's just talk about how can we make this model inside Siemens NX12. Let's get right into it. First we will choose model, make sure the units are in millimeter, proper name and location where you want to save this file, and hit OK. Alright, I'm in the model interface right now. Click on the sketch mode and choose this face or this plane and hit OK. It will be automatically, and go for the center rectangle. Choose this point and draw something like this. Press escape and double click on this dimension. This is 64 and this is the 96, and I'll hit, and I'll just close this for now, and I'll finish the sketch. Now I'll click on the extrude and extrude this up to 16, and I'll hit OK. Again, I will choose sketch, choose this top surface and hit OK, and I'll go for the corner rectangle. And this time I'm going to edit up to 16. This is up to 16, and I'll close this, finish the sketch, and extrude it. Double click on this sketch and choose this, press and hold Control key, and this, and make it the coincident. Okay, and I'll finish the sketch. Go for extrude and select this region and define it up to 48. This is 48. Extrude and define the height 48, and I'll hit OK. Double click on the screen. I'll go for the edge band, choose this edge, define the value 32, hit enter, and I'll hit OK. Again, I'll go for the sketch and choose this top surface, OK, and I'll go for the corner rectangle, and starting from something here like this, and if you go here, this becomes 30 and 64 minus 22. Okay, press escape and double click on this. This becomes 40, and this also becomes 64 minus 22, and I'll hit enter, and I'll close the sketch. I'll finish the sketch, and now this height becomes okay, finish, and choose the region and define 28, and I'll hit OK. Now I will add some cutouts. For that, I'll choose this face, and if I look at here, the diameter becomes 20. Escape, double click on the dimension and define 24, and hit OK, close it, finish the sketch, extrude, select the region and flip the direction. You subtract, and here choose through all, double click, and let me just choose it up to here, and I'll hit OK. select and Control V to hide it. Select this, Control V, like this, Control V, and choose sketch, choose this top surface. Okay, now I'll go for the corner rectangle like this. I'll add a circle somehow like this, and I'll go for the trim entities. There is trim is here. I'll go for the trim entities, and I'll close the sketch. Now I'll go for the rapid dimensions, and this time 16 from here till here. I'll go for the rapid dimensions, and from here till here, this becomes 16, and this becomes 20. This becomes 20, right? Now close the sketch, and this becomes 16, and I'll close the sketch. I'll finish the sketch. Again, I'll go for extrude and select this region and drop it down and make sure to select it right now. I choose this sketch, Control B, choose this base, Control B to hide it, and finally I'll choose this face to make a rib, and choose this face, and okay, and I'll go for the line starting from somewhere here like this, and I'll go for line starting line like this, and again a line like this, and finally close the sketch, and I'll finish the sketch. Now I'll go for extrude, and I'll choose this left direction, and this thickness becomes 12, so I'll define 12, okay, body completed outside target. What does it mean? None, and I'll hit OK. See, Control B, and I'll just fit it, go for the symmetric view, and I think this time just need to do like this. Oh, good, thanks for watching.